Hi everybody, this is Cylindra. Sorry, I think I'm not facing the camera properly. Let me check that. I'm looking up now. I promise. Okay, here we go. Hi, how are you doing? I'm having problems today. Oh, Nat, you have collab emote thingy for peak. Here we go. I like it actually. It's like coming up and down. Looks like a little sun. It looks like a happy peak. Uh, I'm going to climb, guy. I like it. I like it. I'm happy I got it too. So yeah. Today, I'm testing. It was out before, but now it's version 1.0. I never played it yet. It's called Mass Logistic. Sorry, Master's Logistic. My bad. We're going to see. This one is the best. Yes, it is really good. I like it. I really like it. Okay, let's see what we can do. I think I'm supposed to build my rover and carry stuff around Mars and build a colony. That should be good. That should be good. Let me go here. Yes. The music is catchy. I like it. So yeah, the 1.0 released, I believe, 2 days ago, but I was working. So we're trying it today. Bam. First thing first, you just drop something onto Mars and you say, yes, here we are, guys, here we are. Welcome to Mars, yay! Since this is your first day on the job, spend a little time getting familiar with your vehicle's control. Work, yes, but it's gonna be funny work, guys. Okay. So, okay, this is forward, woohoo! This is me! Oh, forward, AD turn, camera, okay, that's cool. Look at this cloud! This is me on Mars, guys. Ooh. This is work. I like it. Alright. Camera zoom. Oh, I have to zoom? Zoom out. Here we go. Reset vehicle hold. In case I crash or something. I need to deliver a watering can. Oh, cool. Where is it? Map. Tab. Accepted to proceed. Okay. I need to go deliver watering can on Mars, guys. I'm accepting it. The pay is 30. You know, as no little job. Okay, it's not too far. Wait, no, I'm here, right? Garage. I need to get it from here to here? I guess. Active 1. Add waypoint. There's a waypoint, I guess. Remove waypoint. Okay. Show hide contract. Escape for close. Okay, look at that, guys. Woo! Let's avoid maybe a little... I didn't know there was stones on Mars, but you know. So this is cool, because it's like a very big areas to drive. I can drink my tea. I can drive one-handed, that's good. Ah, okay. So, I'm picking it up. Oh, hey, look at that. There's a sign that there's a... Oh, it's cool. Pick up. Watering can. Fast travel unlocked. I can edit my vehicle? I can edit my vehicle. I have a blueprint designed specifically for his job. Okay, cool. Here? Wait. I need to put a lifter. Basic rover. Basic rover. I already have a basic rover. Okay, that's not here. Remove. Okay. Attach. It was... Can I zoom in? It was to the side and the up. I can do that, right? Oh, come on. Yes. I got that. And then one... Ooh! I can give it a color! back. Here, like that. I think it was. And then here. And then like something like that. Thing here. Can I... Wait, can I turn the I can. I totally can, guys. Here. And then like that and a handle. And a handle. Cool. That's like it, right? Oh, wait a second, I got to it. Okay, I did the hard way. Cool, let's save it. No, I don't need to save it. Yay! Okay, so I just need... I have a control loop pop out. Okay, C. Oh, that is so cool. I like this. Carry the cargo to the... I do like it. Oh my god, this is amazing. If you mess up a delivery, you can reset it from a map. Cool. Come on, guys, this is my first job. First day, yay! I got a new contract to deliver a crate, and I got 30 something. You know what? I think it would be better from the left. I think I'm in the way of most of the contracts. Is it better like this? Okay. You want me to do vroom vroom? So I need to go accept. So it's here, right? I like the game looks really cute. Like basic graphics maybe. Moss is very like the texture, but I like the style. Alright, so I got the crate. I probably won't be able to... yeah, I will have to leave my vehicle. It looks admirable anime style, right? This is my inventory where all of my parts are stored. Okay. Each part, you can see how many you own, excluding those currently on the vehicle. Okay. You can see your balance. Okay. Press F to buy new parts. Ah, but now I'm in the way. Man. Okay. I guess it might be more fun to watch me build the rover than anything. Press F to buy new parts using your hard... Wait. Oh, wheels? No, I don't need wheels. Do I have a... No. There's like things here I can... Okay, maybe I can use another claw. Will it be enough to make me to help me patch the crate? Oh wait, pick up. Hello, give me the crate, I'm here. Give me the crate. Okay. How do I... Cuckoo? Yes, cuckoo. It's so bad, but... With all the new games? Yeah, I like them. Okay, how do I even get up here? Ouch. It's too high! I don't see how to make it come down. Help! Fall into my lap. Alright. Attach part with or remove them with... Okay. I can rotate with A and D. Okay. Wait a second. Oh, no, no. Oh my god. I removed the wheel. I wanted to turn the camera around. Okay, wheel. Okay. So I have a feeling I can buy... Can I buy another one? Cost 160. No. No. Jump? I don't think I can jump. Turn left, turn right. I don't have a jump. Forward and reverse. Alright. Maybe. Okay. Maybe I make it taller. Okay. How did I build it? It was like that. And then there was the servo. And then... Wait. Another one of those. I have two of them, but... You think I can do it like that? I have more connectors. I could make it bigger. That might actually work. Okay. Can I crush it? Oh, hey, look at that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. I'm stuck, guys. Okay, I think I can do that. Okay, thank you. Okay, now that I drop the box, a very important box. Oh boy, how do I get it low like this? Thanks for the lurk. I don't know what you're gonna hit, but that's yeah. Okay, maybe now I must miss. Alright, no, it's too high. Alright, let's do this again. I like this servo thing. Another one of those. And then... wait. I need to change it, right? Like that. Of course it's upside down, but you know, it's fine, right? I don't think it's the right thing to do. It doesn't look like it's okay. No, it's not that. V. Help? Touching and removing part, copy pasting. Oh, I can copy paste. Cool. Control virtual ports. Okay, I mean at the moment I don't have that much. Wait, what's a grip? Okay. I don't actually need that one. Okay, sorry. Grip. Wait, what? No, I don't have any. Okay. Will it work? Oh, wait a second. Ah! Oh, this is very precise, guys. No, 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 no. Stay there, stay there. I got it, I got it. It should be on its side now. Of course, this is not the easiest way. I'm there, I'm there. I'm there. I can totally do this, guys. No! Ouch. What can I buy for 30 that should... Funds. I have 30 funds. I don't see something that could buy a spacer. Wait a second. Wait a second. Can I... Okay, let's remove that. Because that servo probably... might work like that. With a connector and the other... Will it control... It does, but... Why have we not... This one looks like it's lower for some reason. I'm not sure why. Yeah, the angle is not the same. Oh, are they not the same? I'm not quite sure. So yeah, that works. Okay, that activates buffs, but that's not gonna be good enough for gripping my box. Hey. Oh, wait a second. That is an handle. I can see marks for it. I can totally do this, guys. I'm guessing the handles are too small. Okay. Okay. What am I missing? Wheels. I have all the wheels. Power joints. I'm out of joints. Grips. What am I doing to that poor box? I'm supposed to take the box here, but I can't pick it up. I managed to pick up the watering can, no problem, but the box... I can't get to the handles. So I dropped it off the shelf, that's a good start, but... now it's like... now it's like I'm stuck with it. Oh yeah, look at that. Wait, that works? Almost. Maybe I can get it stuck between those two. No, no! Don't make it fall, don't make it fall! Alright. It's like a pins. Yeah, yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Maybe I can make this one. Ah, no! Press the wrong button. D, not B. Can I rotate, change pivot? No. Nothing? Oh, wait a second. Can I put it on the other side? Will it help? That poor box will thank me when I get it where it's supposed to go. Got it! Got it! Wait, where am I supposed to go now? Got it! Took me forever to pick up the box, but you know, I got it. I don't know what they want to do with a red box. I know, very fast travel, but where is the fun in that? I'm picking it on! Yes, guys, yes! Another job well done! Oh, I unlocked a new blueprint with new parts! Ooh, amazing. New contract, deliver crates of orange. Oh my god. I'm in so much trouble, guys. Deliver a crate of orange. Where is the crate of orange? I mean, I can see the orange is inside. That looks really pretty, actually. There is crates inside. Okay. I think... From the greenhouse to the constructions. Okay, but where is my crate? Is it because I need to rebuild myself first? Ooh, that is cool. This vehicle has 2 controllable parts. They can be operated differently. Q and E. Okay, that's like... Ooh. Alt C to see the control. Okay. And E, I'm guessing... Oh, this is so cool! I'm doing good, thank you! How about you? I'm looking for my crate of orange now. I forgot the controls. Was it Q and E? Give me my crate, please. I'm ready for my crate. Let me go see... It's not showing because it's not... I don't have my crate. Do I need a new crate? This is so cool. No, the crate is gone, I think. And there's no order on the video. Okay. Woohoo! I'm doing fun. I'm just trying to colonize the planet. Yeah, with my little rover. I'll get there one day. Would you please give me a crate so that I can carry it? Please? 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 I mean, I don't think that's a crate. No, it was it's like that. Oh, wait a second. Do I have a driving license? Maybe not for rovers. Oops, whoops, whoops. I'm coming back, I'm coming back. No worries, no worries. I'm picking it from the other side. I got this. I got this. No, I don't have this. Definitely don't have this. Come on. Poor, great. Okay, I think I got this. Oh my god. I got this. I got this. Totally have it. Alright. I got this, guys! Woohoo! I can retract from the map if I... reset contract, okay. I guess if I lose... Some, wait, did I lose some orange? No. Not yet. Not yet, but it's moving around. I mean, they didn't ask me if I had... if I had the license before they hired me. We just said, yeah, just go there. Hey, guys, how are you doing? I'm bringing oranges out in the Mars atmosphere. That's perfectly fine. I'm bringing oranges and look at all of them. The power of oranges, guys. Yay! Now I need to deliver a steel beam. Hey, buddies, how are you doing? Okay, where are they? From here to here. Okay, where is the steel beam I need to carry? Ouch. Build, yes, exactly 4 oranges and look at what they are doing. Okay, now I need to find where is the beam I'm supposed to carry. Oh wait, did I accept it? I need to accept it. That's the thing. I keep forgetting to accept it. Okay, oh, it's here. I believe it's here. No way, like they're scared of me. Oh, is that where I'm supposed to bring it? Yeah, I think I'm supposed to go get it from here. Okay. Come on, guys, let's go get that. Oh, nothing can happen, right? No! My poor rover. It's funny. I can see why you would need to reset some missions. Let's say that's a terrain discovery, guys. It's like look like a factory. Whoa! Ooh! That's a very small rock. A real one, yes, I have, but you know, not one for rovers. Oh my god! I can't get out of... No, I can't. Oh, okay, here we go. What was that? Okay. Okay, I need to get to it to the side, like that, and then I can carry it. If you're driving like this, that's a secret I am not gonna share. No, it was this one. It's not gonna be banged, right? It's okay. It's okay. We're doing it. We're doing it. I mean, I never said I wouldn't bring it a little bit bang, you know, right? Ooh, wow. Okay, I need to be careful with the stones because they literally block my path. Small stone, but you know, it stops the progress of colonization. I'm doing this, guys. I'm doing this. Okay. We're almost there. Oh, it's pretty. It's like little shells. Okay. Are we going to be able to build a lot from that? Yes, if for exactly, right? Why is it not picking it up? I'm in there. Hello, it's there. It's all inside. Maybe need to be. I don't. Yeah, it's a good question. Come on. But all of it inside the. Come on, guys. Couldn't you make it bigger, the box? It's stopping me from turning. Yeah, but I cannot put it up. It's up or down. I have a problem. I have a problem. Yes. Okay, like, literally, all I can do is that. Or... That's even ready for. Come on. You know you want it, literally. You asked for it. Can I do that? Come on, guys. Yeah, I know what you mean, but I can't. Not with this one. The other one was rotating. This one doesn't have a rotator. Change the car. It's there! Pick it up! Oh man. Wait, the only thing I can do would be... Yeah, and I cannot even go higher than that. Oh man. Why won't they accept it? Stop lazing around doing nothing. Come and help me, guys, around. Look at that. Weird, right? Yeah, it's weird. I cannot turn it up. How do I want to turn it up? Whoops, I lost it. It's okay. A better tool for rotating. I will need to... I will need to put a power joint servo somewhere. Like... here, maybe? I could try it. I'm not sure it will sit, but I don't have any more. Oh, man, I don't have any more. Oh yeah, that will go super well, guys. I don't think I can build it into that. Okay. Yeah, might not need a... Wait a second. That's too much, that's too much. Let's put it here. And then... like that. Let's try it. Okay, let's come this way. And let's try it. Yep. Yeah. Okay. I got this, guys. No worries. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if it's exactly what I wanted to do, but, you know, it might work better. Oh, I'm almost losing it. I'm losing it. Come on, you can do it, you can do it. Oh wait! Oh wait! Come on, take that, take that. No! Okay, okay. It's not fully in the yellow. It worked! Trying to scare me. Thank you, Kato. Oh my god. Deliver a telescope mirror. Okay. I can deliver a telescope mirror or step ladder. Let's go for the step ladder, guys. I'll come back for that. I don't know what that red button is anyway. Oh my god. Accuracy. That was way too difficult. Okay, that should be a good tool for that, I think. No, not that. Yep. Did I build a wall base from one thing? Yeah, look at that. Where am I supposed to go here? That should work, right? That's... oh my god, that's gonna be a problem. Let's go to the side, maybe? Ah, it's fine. I still have it. I still have it. No worries. I still... oh my god, I still almost have it. Maybe I can get it between the... Here. Oh, yes I can. Ooh, I got this. I got this, guys. I should be fine here, right? Yeah, I should be fine. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Oh my god. Yeah, easy peasy. Look at that. It's holding, guys. It's holding. That's what matters. I've got it. Alright. I've got this. I can totally do the delivery. Nothing will stop me. There's certainly not a little bit of stone. I'm gonna turn over in a second. Oop. That's fine. That's fine. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, guys, I'm there. I'm there. Let's not let this thing stop progress. That's a very big rock. Here we go! No, 90. I got a lot of money, guys. A lot of money. Alright. There was a side job for an habitat. Storage depot. Pay. Oh, that's a lot of pay. Let's go for it, guys. I don't know if I can do it. It's a big box. But let's bring in the bones. So that I can pay for new stuff. Oh, 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 oh. You're not stopping me. What can I do? I can buy new parts. Which helps me do a bigger... At the end, you can make a huge rover. Mine is very small. It's like a basic one. 6 wheels, very light, can turn over super fast. But I was seeing some of the designs. They are like... I think... Can I see them if I go there? Like, it looks like vehicles and not like little thingy like mine. Alright, what am I picking up this time? Like a big box, right? Oh, here. Inside? Is it where I'm bringing it? Yes, this is where I'm bringing it. Okay, and I have to bring it on top. They are making it difficult. I swear, I'm not drinking and driving. Build a plane. A plane on Mars might not be... I don't know how good of an idea that would be. Okay. Okay, let's go back to my design of crate lifter. Can I make it bigger, or is it going to be big enough? Yes, yes, I'm coming, I'm coming. Okay. Should be big enough. Look at how far I can go. Okay, almost, almost. Got it. Got it. Now. Okay. Okay, let's go first to the minimum it can be, and then I can pull it up. Come on, stop moving. Stop moving. I think I almost got it. That might work, but I have a feeling not. Okay, let's take it from the other side. I will have more, more space. Alright, come on, come on. If there are humans around, they are bluffing their ass off. I'm just a little boat. I do what I can, guys. Come on. Ah, come on. Come on. I got this. I got this. Straight in front of me. Of course, I'm not going straight anymore. No! I know. I'm coming back. I'm coming back. Yes, yes, guys, yes. Okay. No. Here we go. We've got this. We've got this. Alright. Oh my god, I need to put it higher too. Wait, can I modify it to have that's not gonna work. I need another rotating tool. Wait. Let me drop it. Okay. Now I need to rotate somehow. Control. Let's. All right. I need that to rotate. But I don't know. It was part of it, was it? Yeah, it was part of it. Okay, so I cannot do it like that. Buy for 30. Can that work? I'm not super stable, but I might be able to do it. No! Stay there, stay there. Why isn't it picking it up? Surely it works, right? I'm in the area. Why wouldn't it work? Wait a second. This might work, right? I went. I'm going to fall over. No, I have to be extended at the maximum. Come on. I thought I was ripping it. Oh, it was this one. Grab it and drive into it with full force. Wow! That could have worked. Maybe if I grab it but lower. Okay. Whoa! Okay. If I grab it here instead. It worked! This mechanical back look like your painful back when you go to sleep. I made it, guys! I don't know how, but I made it! This is celebration. How do I reset air? Okay, okay. I think the main mission was to deliver a telescope mirror. Thank you. I need to pick it up here. What can go wrong exactly, right? We did it! We did it! Oh, guys. Okay, so this is where I was earlier, and I took a break to do some other random deliveries. That's a mirror. Not gonna break, right? Uh-huh. Where am I going? Wait, I have a feeling this is not what I was supposed to... Oh, wait, I was supposed to go there. I'm guessing I'm supposed to deliver it here. Oh, well. Wait, can I call it? If I can call it, it's fine. I won't have to reset it. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Press the red button. Press the red button. It worked. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Whoa. Okay, so where am I supposed to go to get it? There. Oh boy. There as in down there? Wait, I think there is a path down here. Oh yeah, totally goes down, right? That's fine. Perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. I can see my way in there. I can see my way in there. Whoops. Whoops. I'm breaking stuff. Alright. I'm supposed to take that, the whole thing? Yeah, sure. Can I extend it in a way that would let me... Oh, look at that. That will work. Oh my god, that almost worked. I'm gonna break the mirror. Yeah, look at that. Oops. Almost. I almost had it. I would almost need a second. Oh wait, I can extend it, right? You think it's impossible to destroy something? It's Lego anyway. Yes. I think this one. Let me extend. Okay. Okay. Come on, I just want to go in the middle. I think I... Oh, come on. I got it, I think. Whoa. No, go further away. Thank you. And then this one. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my god. I got this, guys. I totally have it. I might not be very stable. I think I might need to be bigger. Oh, wait. That worked. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Ah! Okay. Okay, that's balancing. Oh my god, balancing the load. Can I go like that actually? I'll just let's go like that. What can break anyway, right? Just a mirror. It's fine. I'm not exactly turning great, but you know. Yeah, I need to move it up to turn. That's fine. They cannot bill me if it breaks, right? Totally wasn't B. The mirror is fine. Anything people might say about it is a lie. I need to go here. Oops. No! Don't let me lose it. I lost it. I lost it. I lost it just arriving on the lift, guys. Okay, let's pull the elevator back. Alright. The mirror is fine, guys. The mirror is fine. Look at that. I can even catch it like that now. Ah, I'm on the maximum. Okay. I almost have it. I almost have it. Let's grab this one instead. Hmm. Totally working. Totally working. No, no! Oh, it's coming with me! It's gonna fall. Uh, it's totally gonna fall. I only have a little bit of man. If it doesn't fall, I will. Oh boy. I'm scared, guys. I lost it. I lost it. Nobody saw that. They will still attack. Accept it, right? They won't bill me. Oh man. It's going to crash. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Ah, that's fine. This is a very, very strong mirror, guys. Okay. Maybe. Okay, I need to get it on both sides. Okay. I guess it's as good as I will get it. Oh, come on. Like this. Wait a second. Can I call it back up? Does it work? Come on, come on, come on. Okay, that worked. Okay. Let's like. Man, that mirror is indestructible. That's fine. Alright, like that one mark actually. Okay, okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So I need to press the button and then move away. Before it gets on top of it again. That works. I'm not sure it's very... It is efficient. Look at that. I'm carrying it with me. No problem. No problem, guys. That was my first try. It's like it's under my arm. Nobody saw it falling, getting crushed under the elevator. Here we go. Ooh. Not a scratch. Not a scratch, guys. I got 200. The theodolite part can be used to build transmitters and extend my signal range to new areas. I got... Oh, I need to deliver an umbrella. I got a lot of new parts, guys. Amazing. I've got... Oh, wait. Did I get a scout? Oh, this is so cool. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, those are new wheels. Okay. Those are the old ones. Okay, I need to deliver... cool. Okay. So I am guessing I should put them at the... Plan your route by placing waypoints. Okay. So I need to... Oh, I need to deliver donuts, guys. From the steel mill to the greenhouse. Alright. Oh, come on. Ooh. Yeah, I can do it. I can totally do that. Okay. I can adjust various gameplay options, activating creative mode from the settings menu. That's fine. So from 1.0, I think they added at least 10 new missions, I believe, to the ones that were already there. I'm guessing the one I'm doing now are the old missions, and it was like exploring a new area. I'm supposed to get the donut, no? Oh yeah, this is definitely bigger. Now where's the donut? Exploring new area. Yes, I need to accept that. Optional overbook job that can do to earn extra fun and unlock more parts. But also arduous. Cool. That's the other way. Exploring new area of Mars, guys. I'm an intrepid adventurer. We can't even drive. That's a really cool looking donut. Although it looks huge. And I mean, it's in the atmosphere. I'm not sure you would want to hit that. Alright. I need parts. Thanks for the wonking. Yeah, it's a donut! Is it going to be strong enough for that? Hey, dragon! I got bumped by a dragon. Ouch! Come on, come on. Oh! I can totally do this. I can do it! I can do it! Where's my... I can push it like that all the way. That's fine. Fine by me. Come on. Yes, yes! Oh my god. Maybe I need a grip or something? Yes, I am, but, you know, I just almost broke a, what was it? Something for, a mirror for the lab, and it's fine. Not a scratch. Even though I got it stuck under the elevator and everything, yeah, no, fine. I didn't have any complaint. They even paid me a lot. Yeah. Oh, wait a second. I got it. Not what I meant to do, but I got it. That works. No, my God, no. The chances of me getting it like that again are slim. Okay, fine. I got it once, I can do it again. This is what I wanted earlier. Okay. I got it. I got it. Whoa. I don't see my destination anymore. Yeah, the laboratory, the thingy on the right is now built. I don't know what it will build when I bring that, but at least they can have their lunch. This is stuff. This is stuff. We're there, guys. We are there. Come on, little donut. And gone. We got this, guys. We got this. Donut. Achieved. Ooh, 54. Oh, I got a new part. Okay, that was worth it. Bearing, that was totally worth it. Let's go back to my scout. I like that scout. So I have deliver paint. Oh, what's going to be? Oh, we are going for 233 plus a small disc. Okay, let's do this. I might need definitely right. Whoa, 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 whoa. I might need to put one of those. What was it? Towers to extend my range. I don't know how many I can have though. Whoa, 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 whoa. There was a way down here. From the observatory. Ooh. Okay, let's get the paint. Okay, my beginning guy might be a little bit too light for that. But I'm making money, I can definitely buy new parts. Okay, I need like an arm to grip it. I might be able to put it there? Yeah. Let's see. What do I have left? I have... I suppose I need... One might be enough. Oops. Okay, that's not working. But, that might work, actually. That might totally work. Okay. Okay. I need to go. Reverse the wallway. I could. I have a feeling I have to go back up. Yeah, it's over that, and I cannot see much of there. Okay, let's go back up. Ooh, I cannot turn that much. That's fun. It's turning. Oh, it's turning. Oh. I can do this. I can do this. It's a good thing that I'm not counting fuel. Okay, let's take a stride. Oof. Yeah, I might have to pull. But I don't know. Like that. That works. The wallway might be a bit difficult. Go on. It's struggling with me. I think it's because of the weight is mostly on one side. Come on, man. Come on, you can do it. You're almost on top. You can do it. You can do it, little butt. Yes. Okay. Might actually be faster to just go the other way around. No. Back up. Oh wow. Oh yeah, it's inversed. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. You want to go first, you got to. So that's fine. Okay, let's try to go there. In my little scout bot. Oh, hey. Oh, it's bouncing back. Cool. The other one was on its dead. Let's maybe not go here. 5 kilometers. Guys, this is far away. It's fine. I have teleport to go back. Hey. I can totally do this all over for 8. They desperately need it. It's fine. Ooh, that's bumpy now. Oh, my scout is really good. Oof. Ooh. Okay. Oof. Oof. That's fine. Totally worked. Totally worked. Ooh. Oof. This one might not. No. Okay, now I need to fight. Oh my god, I need to get a hold of that. No! Stupid penguins. I was doing so good. I don't even have. Oh, here we go. That works. Stop it like this, yes. Stop. Oh man. Okay, that wasn't working. I don't know why the servo bot is not working on this one. Did I put it on the wrong side? Is that the problem with it? It still doesn't work. Okay. Connector or passive joint. Maybe I might need a connector. That's going to totally make me fall over, but you know. Okay, that's working. Come on. Yes, yes, yes. Stop, stop, stop. Oh my god. I need to catch it from the angle here. Yes, yes, I know. I'm coming back. I'm coming back. I'm coming back. Don't give up. Don't give. Oh, yes, yes, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Almost, almost. Okay, let's go for it, guys. This is cool. Wait a second. I don't want it to go over. Okay, like this. um, is that up here? How do I go up here? I might not. um, I might not be strong enough to do that one, guys. Come on. No! Okay, it's up. Yes, yes. Oh, almost, almost. Shh, shh, shh. Yes. All right. I don't know how I'm going to get it up here, but you know. That's a question for when I came here. Okay. Yeah. I seem further away. It's well, yeah, but I cannot go straight up. So I'm trying to find a way. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Oh no! Oh my god! Now I'm going the wrong way. Yes. I'm trying to catch it again. We need something. Maybe where I can grip it. Because it tends to bounce over the grip. Alright. Did I have... But that might not be strong enough. Yes, that has close, but it's... I think the pot of paint might be bigger than me now. Oh, no, no, no. Do not let go. Let me go from the back where I don't have Thank you. But yeah, I'm more likely to be turned over. Come on. Come on. I got this. I got this. Wait a second. Okay, now I need to go up, but the problem is... Yeah. There might not be much light left when I come up here. Wait, can I go back? Yeah, like I was saying, the 10 box is almost bigger than me. That's a lot of dust. Yeah, but that's like just blocking me. Oh, I wasn't blocking enough. Okay. I wonder if I have enough module to rebuild it on the scout. Yeah. What happens? If I do, I think it was copy, and then if I go to the scout, can I? Yeah, sure. Let's try that. It might not work great, but you know. Stop moving. Stop. Okay. Okay. Oh, oh. Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Over dust. Right. That's gonna stop me. Okay, okay. I hope I can go up that way. Oh, no. I hope it's not liquid paint. Okay. Stop it. Stop. Stop it. Sideways. Come on. Don't think that would work. Ooh, ooh. I think I got a decent grip on it, but the problem is it's all the way in. Okay, should work. should. Come on. I think that might be a delivery, might be a bit too far for me at the moment. Oh wait, can Can I catch it? No, I cannot handle this one. No, I'm not getting it at all. No. Okay, now I have it. Should work. Should work. Oh my god. Come on, tell me I can go up. I can. Okay. Let's try. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it. Come on, come on. Come on. Okay. Come on, come on. I'm trying to go backwards, but it's keeping the camera facing forward, which is not easy. Especially as a ladder. Okay. I'm so close and yet so far. It's up here. It's completely up here. Stuck with the... Come on. Come on. It's making music now. Okay. I will pretend it's music and it's suddenly maltreating the poor pot of plant. Right. Come on, come on, you can do it, you can do it. Get back up, get... Oh, okay. Oh, come on. Am I stuck myself? I'm making a lot of dust. Okay, that's it. That's it. It's pushing me off. I think it's because it's in the ground almost. Okay. Ready? Let's go. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Okay. I'm looking at the dream like... I don't suppose that cloud is moss. Come on. Oh. Come on. Come on. Could I make it rotate here? I need to buy another. No, that's not what I wanted to buy. Oops, okay, that's fine. I want that. And then I want connector. And then oh my god, I deleted, yeah. Sure, I don't know what was I'm missing, but it's fine. Yeah. That might work, actually. Not quite sure about that. Or... yes, that would work. Okay. Did that work? Yes, guys! We have landing on Mars. Oops, almost. Okay. Okay, maybe I can do it. Yes, I do that all the time. Where is... where's it gone? Did I lose it for good? How did it get there? Okay. Try not to turn over, please. I know I'm asking a lot. Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, so if I... Let's extend that first. I'm not at the best angle. Oh, okay. Something like that would do it. I'm not even sure I'm touching the... Yeah, I'm not sure. Not secure anymore. Okay, you know what? I'm not sure I have enough parts to do that trip. Can I... If I reset it, and when I go... I'm really close. I started here, I believe. But that's difficult with the parts I have. Okay. Let's reset it so that... Oh, I need to hold it. Okay. And then let's go to deliver a sculpture. Yeah, that looks like it's feasible. Okay, accept. I should be able to fast travel here. Yes. Because I'm in the middle of nowhere. Alright. Ooh, that's a sculpture. Cool. Okay, I should totally be able with that. Nobody said that Tukuldur has to arrive in one piece, right? I don't think it will be enough to grip it, but... Like that? That works, okay. Okay, let's try this. Just pulling it. I hope it's very strong. Do you want me to build your butt like a Lego? Yes, you do. Sorry, I missed it, but yes, you do. Each time I do a mission, I get like I'm going to get another part that I didn't have before. I'm unlocking stuff. Oops, whoops. Nobody saw it. Let's not push it down. Because it should definitely not arrive at the, at the bottom of the... Oh my god, I'm going to end up at the bottom. Totally. Oh, come on. let's just do it like that. I'm almost arrived. Nobody saw that. They will take it. Here we go. Here we go. Yay! A 3x1 new pot. Amazing. Okay. So I also have a short ladder. Oh god. Steel pipe, short slider, and a 45-degree band. Let's do for this one. I need to pick it up from the habitat. Okay. Okay, that's a good one for the crate actually. Whoa, 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 whoa! Just want to crate? Should be fine. That should be fine. Where am I supposed to go now? 900 meters back. It's a perfectly fine crate. I think I just moved over some chairs. That's fine. Totally fine. Wait a second. Wasn't it a ladder I was supposed to get? I've already done that one. That was the second... Oh no, it wasn't from here. Okay. Ooh, 45 degrees bend. Amazing. Okay. Okay. Sure. Sure. From habitat to greenhouse. Sure. I can just go... Oh, forgot to accept it. Let's try this. I should be able to do it. Let's get some new parts, guys. Okay. Always poor tree like breathing or something. I think I'm above it. Whoops. Oh, that's fine. Can I grab it by the tree, actually? I totally can. I totally can. Okay. I was trying to get it by the pot, but you know what? That's fine. If Mars atmosphere doesn't kill the tree, I don't think I can. Give me new parts. Thank you very much. And money. And give me money. Thank you. 60 earn. 3x3 pot. Alright. Okay, I should probably do... Where? From storage depot to greenhouse. Sure. Wait. Come on, I lost it. At least you're having fun, Koto, it's fine. But I'm getting new parts and I'm quite happy with it. I'm getting money. How much money do I have now? I think I have 837. I got new parts. That's cosmetic. I'll still take them. Oh god, I hate it when it's on top. Should be able to push it up. Oh, oh, it worked. Kinda. It's just not... Can I put 2 extension? Oh! There was a miracle. I think I got it. Oh. From here. Okay. Totally above me, that's fine. Alright. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Stop it. Stop it. Oh my god. Oh yeah. I hope it doesn't explode. I was doing so good too. I'm stuck myself. I'm too big, guys. But if I go with a little scout, I don't think I can do it. Slowly, slowly. It won't see me coming from it. Okay. Okay, I got this. I totally got this. Let's lower it. We're not going far. We are not going far. We are not going far. Totally works. Totally works. Oh, French. Sorry. Where did I put it? It's somewhere. Wait, I think I have it here. Ok, here we go. 3 minutes de français. Ok, alors allons-y. Merci, Koto. Merci, Koto. Vous le voyez en vert au-dessus. Ok. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. That works, that works. Totally works. Ça marche, ça marche. Il va le prendre, hein. Oh mon dieu. Oh mon dieu. Ok. Si, j'y suis presque, j'y suis presque. Ok. C'est de l'hydrogène, ça explose? Oui, je crois que ça explose. On va ignorer. On va ignorer. Allez, allez. Ok, c'est bon. Ok, un 5 par 2, tout va bien. Alors, je vais peut-être essayer d'aller faire la... Oh mon dieu, il y a des... Oh, j'avais pas vu qu'il y avait le temps. 9 minutes, 8 minutes. Oh, celui-là, il va loin. Oh, il va trop loin. Celui-là, je peux le faire. J'avais pas vu qu'il y avait une expiration. Ok. Même celui-là, du coup, il expire dans... Non. Il expire pas. Ok. Ok. De habitat à observatoire. Oh. Merci, Bert. Merci. On va essayer de faire le toaster. C'est un vrai toaster, hein. Avec le cerveau qui descend. Ok. Merci. Merci beaucoup. A stretch, a stretch. Oui, oui, baguette. Oui, oui, baguette. Je bois et je m'étire. Ah, ok. Merci. Tout va bien. Oh, le pain va sortir bientôt, mais tout va bien. Qu'est-ce qu'ils vont faire avec ça à l'observatoire? Je crois qu'ils voulaient le pain avec. Baguette, ouais. Recette. Je crois qu'il faut que je les garde avec. Ça va être un peu plus compliqué, mais bon, on va essayer. Ok, allons-y. On va juste un tout petit peu l'élever pour éviter que ça racle par terre et on va éviter de faire tomber le pain. Pourtant, il était bien parti, hein. Plus de France. Oh, thank you for no more French. I wasn't keeping track. Whoa, 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 whoa. I think I broke something. Is that the bread that's like boom, boom? Boom, boom. I broke the bread. I broke the bread. And I got a short slider. Ooh. Yeah, this one is really tough. Okay, let's go for the main one. Oh boy. The umbrella. Sure, I'll accept it. The active contract is outside your signal range. To extend your signal range, build more transmitter using utility power on this camp. Okay. Where is the main one? I'm guessing it's based on the garage. It's all around the garage. Okay. So I need to go there. Wait, where is it? This one here? Tayo! Woohoo! That worked. I think I'm still in range. Okay. That was impressive. Okay. Okay. Ok. Qu'est-ce qu'ils vont faire avec un... Sorry, I'm speaking French now. What are we gonna do? That's good. What are we gonna do with an umbrella in Mars? I'm not sure. I should probably put one down very close. Like here. Is it gonna work? This might be like the... Yes, that's it here. I'm going to put a tower here. Hopefully it should work. Okay. Ah. Where's the other transmitter? Okay. I think I could make one just next to here. Nova transmitter in view. Was it next to the... observatory? Too close to the station. Aha. Oh, here? Okay. Yeah, it's not pear-shaped, kinda. Okay, oh, I can see it here. Okay. Ah. I don't know if how many I have, if I have like an infinite amount or... Everything's fine. Can I see it? Technically, I can see it, right? Can I put another one here or something? Obstruction. What kind of obstruction do you mean? I can rotate it? Definitely in view. Wow! I'm an adventurous rover. Woohoo! Woo! Woo! Oh boy. Yeah, that might be something I might not recover from. Okay, I can still see it. Let's build one here. No. I don't know how many I can put down, but guys, I'm building really fast. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Come on. Come on. Oh. I need to look where I'm going. Whoa! Woohoo! Oh my god. Okay. Okay, okay. Do I need... Probably better. Yeah. That way is fine. I believe this is the place I'm supposed to go to. I believe. I'm not sure. Yes. No, I'm not delivering... Wait, I'm delivering the umbrella. Oh boy, I'm not at all where I'm supposed to go. Okay, what is that actually? What is that place? I do not know. Okay. Add waypoint. I mean, at least it's somewhere where I can teleport to as soon as I find it. Amazing, amazing. Okay. Here we go. Hi. Oh, hey, there is people. Or there is one person. Are you here to look at that? Oh, hey. You don't trust me, buddy? I'm totally not gonna run you over or something. What is he thinking? Anyway, I thought that would give me a teleport. Yeah, I can. Okay, remote outpost, fast travel. Okay, this is gonna be a bit more difficult. I can still see my my tower. Here we go. Yeah, I can see. I don't know if I had to place them that close to each other. That's fine. I think I can remove them. Okay. Come on, guys. Let's get there. Let's get there. Ooh. You have to go around. I can still see. That's fine. That's fine. Oh, 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 oh. Oh wait. Oh man, I was coming back. That's fine. I tend to press. Oh. Okay, I will have to go on top somehow. I'm going to have to go closer. Okay. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is getting really rough. Oh, wait a second. Can I just go up here? It looks like I can. Cool. Alright. Oh man. Yeah, I thought I was there. Oh. Oof. Ouch. Ouch. It's okay. It's okay. Scout's got it. Scout's got it. Alright, alright. Come on, Scout. Yes. Yes. Good boy. Good butt. Whatever. How do I go up here? I think I might have a shot here in the middle. Maybe. It looks like it's the less worse. I'm not sure if the less worse is good. Come on, come on, come on. Ah. I might need more stability. You know what? Maybe I could build. Can I get like 2 extra wheels and put it on the back for more stability? Could, right? Ooh. No, I think it's that white one might be better. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, I got there. Wait, where was I supposed to go? I'll never get there. So wait, can I do... It goes there. But... Wait, I just need... Is that going to be enough? Might need to be further away, right? Okay. Let's buy another 2. Oh. And then 2 of those. And then I want 2 huge wheels. Oh, or I can buy one. I'm gonna have to make more money, guys, to make a second one. It might be more stable for now, and later I'll have to buy another wheel. How to use all of my money. Okay. I think I'm stuck. I can teleport to the last location, but this umbrella is going to have a trouble. Am I taking the easiest way? Maybe not. Where was the last time? Can I... Oh, I can fast travel here. Okay, let's go around. I'm missing a wheel, so it's not exactly helping much at the moment. Oh, wait a second. I'm back. I'm gonna need money, guys, if I keep spending it like that. So this is this one. Might need... As long as it's in view, it's fine. Okay, I'm going to put it on the side here. Man. Am I still in view? Yeah. Okay. Might it be easier that way? Oof, oof. Don't push me off, please. I put another one here? Oh. Oh, that's where I'm getting it from. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's do this. Can I still see... Yeah. Might need to put one here. Come on. Okay. Oh, do. Can I go back? Oh, good. I can go back. Oh, thank you. Whoops. Okay. It's just here. It literally is just here. Can I go back? Okay, all of that for an umbrella, guys. All of that for an umbrella. Things I do. Good thing there is this facet. Oh boy. Yes. Come on, Scout. Come on. Okay, warehouse. Amazing. Oh, I need to go inside there? That's new. It's okay. I'm small enough. Okay, the umbrella is here. I could remove... because that's probably not going to be too wide. No, the cylinder is... Okay, let's try this. I'm gonna cry, guys. Oh, wait. Don't think I'm holding it at all. Okay, let's see my new parts. Panel. It's giving me weight. I'm just going to use it at the moment because it's giving me weight. Plate. All right. Short slider moves freely along one axis. I have two on the vehicle. Okay, so those are jaws. Bumper. And close. The close, I could put the umbrella on the clothes, but it would probably fall off really fast too. Unless I can only buy one. Passive joints. Copies of engineered designs in co-op. Ooh, nice. Build structure. That's cosmetic. It looks like I have an exhaust or something. Alright, it doesn't help me with gripping the umbrella. Unless... Ooh. If I could rotate that part instead. Alright, let's copy this. Remove all of that. Remove that. Oops. Okay. No. That's originally it was built like that. And then okay, let's copy that. Remove and let's put. Is that gonna work? It really wants to put it that way. Okay. And now kinda works. Hey Mokimboy! Botanically, rice is the seed of an aquatic grass. It has been cultivated for more than 8,000 years. The Latin name for rice is Oryza sativa. There are many varieties of rice, such as arborio, jasmine, and basmati. It all comes in red, black, and purple, with the colors coming from pigments in the brain layer. The more you learn about the different types of rice, the more you will appreciate this simple food. Indeed. Okay, so that works. Thank you very much, Monkey Boy. But okay, that still works. That still extends. And then I have that makes me go around. I'm not sure that's an improvement. think I liked it better when it was going up and down earlier. I'm breaking down my designs. Oh, now I can't do it anymore. Hello. Okay. Copy. Ah. Oh, where is it? It's here. I cannot do it anymore. This is like an armored scout that I have. Alright, so I have my servo back. But... how am I going to get that umbrella to come with me? Yes! Okay. Can I actually go to the side and make it fall? Humans, they want some stuff, but then they don't make it easy. I don't think I can do it. Could I creep it and make it fall onto my... Oops. Did I... No, it's okay. Yeah, I kinda blocked it with my... Okay. I cannot go any closer. Is there something in the parts? In box. A panel 3x1, 15-degree bend, and a plate. Man, it's very far away. The pay is good because I mean I need another wheel. Okay, let's accept this one. It's fine anyway because I can now fast travel here. Okay, I don't think I can fast travel here. I have not discovered those. Oh buddy. Yes, I can go from here. Alright, this way? Yes. I am building land of towers all over Mars. This is my way of leaving my print. People will remember me by all the towers everywhere. To be fair, it's communication towers. Let's put one up here. It's a really good point. Okay. Yeah, once I can get my extra wheel, I should be more stable. Amazing. Yeah. Just roll over it. Okay. Let's stay on top. Oh yeah, there is a structure down there. Oh, I'm supposed to pick it up from here. Can it see... This is fine. This is fine. I think my weight is not heavy enough. Oh, hey! Back on my wheels. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. I'll just take a shortcut. Whoop. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Super good. Super good. Okay, I hope I can carry whatever it is. I'm going to be armored soon, guys. Armored. Okay. I can still see it. Oof. Boom. 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 Okay, let's build one here. Insufficient funds. Managed time. This is where my money is all gone. This is where my money is all gone. But was where I was supposed to. From the monorail station. Okay. Is it upstairs? Wait, I can call the monorail? I think that should do it. What happens when I call the monorail? Nothing? Okay. Whoa, 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 don't fall in the monorail. I wanted the monorail! Amazing, amazing, I didn't have to jump off. Okay, that should work. And I need to stop putting towers everywhere. Because it's taking all of my money. Alright, guys. I was thinking it was weird. It didn't ask me for any kind of material to build the towers. No, it's taking my money! Shh. Perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. Never said it had to be like new, right? Ah, almost got it. Almost got it. Ah, come on. That's fine. Here we go. Here we go. I still don't know how to grab the umbrella. Ooh, those are nice places up here. They wanted the... they want the ladder on the other monorail? Amazing. Amazing. Alright, let's... Oh, just at the bottom. Cool. Cool. No? There's a bit of blue. There was a bit of blue. Okay, now I need to make some money without spending everything on fast travel. I probably can remove a lot of them. Okay. Alright, deliver a jerry can for a grip pad. Oh, a grip pad might be good, but look at where it is, guys. I mean, I might be able to go there by going around here, but I'm not sure I can do that. An end cap and a quarter spacer. Let's try this. I need to get it from the laboratory and go to the storage depot. Oh god, this is the paint, right? Is it the paint? No, it's not the paint. I didn't want it the paint. That's the delivery site. Man, I need to pick it up from the storage. Oh, you had to put it on top. You had to put it on top. Alright. If I can maybe extend it. Hi, Tapalia, what are you doing? I'm trying. I'm trying. Well, you know what? Maybe I can just push it over. It works well most of the time. Come on. Come on. I think I'm at the max. Woohoo! Almost. Almost got it. Oh, come on. Do I really need to, like, extend it? I might have to. Oh, boom. Okay. How much is an extension like that? I don't have enough. I could, no, I don't have any more connectors. I could use that, a spacer. Alright, so let's copy that, remove it, to use 2 spacers. Yeah, the things I do, guys. Things I do. Is there anything else I could add? T connector or T... No, T connector is not. It could work if I can... can I rotate it? WS? Aha! Okay. And now... let's see if that's enough. Okay. Oh boy. I'm a bit unstable now. Come on. Yes. I made it. I made it. Okay. Come on. Come on. Don't get stuck here. Oh my god. Can I resave that thing? Save design. Save to slot. Thank you very much. Let's try this one because that one. Now that it's on the floor, I can actually do that. Here we go. Here we go. Wait, where am I supposed to go? I can do this. I think there is a way down next to the observatory. Whoa, 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 do not lower like that. Bad idea, bad idea. Okay, I need another 2 or 300, I believe, for my extra wheel. Yeah, it's kind of wrapped up around me. Ah! Whoop. I made it. I made it. Handyman complete 10 side jobs. Nice. I got an end cap. Is that just cosmetic? Like, just put it here? Yeah, I have a feeling it's totally cosmetic. Okay, that's fine. I got a new part. Deliver a chair. Or a 15-degree bend. Oh, that's a lot of money. I would have to go like all the way around here. All right. I didn't accept it. Okay, for the chair. What is it? Oh, the chair is fine. Actually, can I just carry it like that? Okay, but that's not a good start. Can I get it like that? Yes, I can. Alright. Okay. So I can... Yeah, should be straight. Just keep it up. As long as it doesn't bounce too much, stay with it. But like the beginning model, it's good. It's just a bit too light. So it goes flying really fast. Ooh, it's okay, it's okay. Still have it, still have it. Maybe not here. Oh, maybe not here. Yeah. Alright. That works. I do know what's here, right? Steel mill. Ah, it's fine. It's very close. But it means I don't have to go and unlock the location. Don't. Ah. Oh. No. I'm not recovering from that. I just need to find a way to hold that umbrella. Eek! Wait. That's it's the weight that makes me go forward. Okay, that's better. That's better. I don't know what they want with plastic chair, but you know, they pay me to transport stuff. I'll do it. All of that so that I can upgrade. I gotcha, chair. I gotcha. Whoop. Maybe not. Come on. Whoa, whoa. I'm still there. I'm still there. No. The side is still the easiest way to, you know, push it over. Push it over, it works. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Ah, I'm not in the right angle. Okay. Come on, you can do it. You've done it before. Here we go. Here we go. Don't move too much, please. Don't move too much. Oh boy. Oh. Oh, yeah, I'm still rolling. I'm still rolling. Okay. Wow. Okay. Amazing. And I still have a chair. I still have a chair. Oh boy. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, I'm kind of scared now. No, that's fine. I still have it. Okay, but I don't think I can still roll like that. I am just going circles. I'm really close though. Alright, really close, guys. Alright. 1 kilometers. 1 kilometers. Man! That's fine, that's fine. I still have control. Somewhat. Of the vehicle. Yeah, you have to be careful with those obstacles. Oh my god. Come on. I'm not sure I can do much. I mean, I can still go forward. Oh, okay. Okay. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Man. Yes, 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 yes. Are you taking notes about technique, Faka? Deliver stuff? Oh, hey guys, I'm bringing you a chair. See, I'm bringing a chair and all of that is getting built. Now this is how we colonize Mars. We just needed a chair. Yes! I can now go back to my scout. Wait. Where is my saved? Oh, here. Load vehicle. Okay. And I can buy no, because I've studied what I need to do, right? Buy one more. Oh, amazing! Amazing! Okay. So, short ladder for a 3x1 panel, medium slider, implied 5x3. Ooh! Okay, that's very far, but I might be able to do it. Okay, let's go from here. Oh my god, I need to go really far. I need to go there actually. Okay. No, remove that one, please. Alright. The things I do for money. So it should be... The thing is that I put the weight at the front. Should I put it on the back? Oof. Is there something heavy I could put on the back? Ooh, I have wheels. I have wheels. That might not be helping much. It's cool though. I like the design. Wait, can I put one in the middle? Yes, I can. Wait, I could put for a second. Yes, look at that. One here, one here. It doesn't touch the ground, but it's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. Let's go. Oh, wait a second. That's okay. I'm bringing back. Yeah, it's because it's further away. Okay. That's just my mom here. Okay. Everything's fine. My, if I get... I don't even know what I'm supposed to like. Oh. No, that's probably too much weight. My scout is like kind of like a cat, often gets back on his wheels, but that was too much. Alright, let's go. Oof. Yes, there, and there, and this is really a difficult road. If you... Come on. I like the music. Very cheerful. It's okay. I can sit. Is that the fast travel? Yeah, I think it's a construction one, yes. Whoa. A little bit easier that way. Wait, I can now go that way. Okay. I need to go to the top. Ooh. It's okay. Alright. Let's get onto the platform. Yeah, it's a monorail. Ooh, the signal is weak. It's okay, I'm coming back anyway. Ouch. No! No! It's going to... Alright, I know, senor. Oh my god. Just can you come back, please? I can't even hit the... Thank you. I almost made it to the top. Almost. Almost. Don't know what happened. Don't know what happened. Oh, it's a computer! Okay. Computer. Ah, come on. That's not enough, right? That's not gripping it. I need it sideways, down, something. Come on, just turn. Please turn. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. That I should be able to take. Okay. Okay. That is secure, guys. That is secure. Okay, now I should be able to go back way here. Whoa, 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 whoa! Thank you. Bye-bye. Wait, I'm on photo mode. Why am I on photo mode? Where is photo mode? Okay, here we go. This is even worse. Oh wait, I'm completely sideways now. Come on, come on, come on, come on! Yes! This is not stressing at all. Can we have the music again, please? Please, please, please. Alright. Oh man. Oh, this is getting grey. This is getting grey, guys. Yes. Okay, 3 kilometers. Oh, no more beeping. That helps. So the thing is that it puts more weight on my left. And so I'm not balanced. those extra two wheels really helps a little bit. Oh my god. You know what? Wait a second. I have too much weight on my left. I need weight on my right. Oh yeah, what's gonna do? That's gonna help a lot. Easy peasy. That might actually work a little. Oh my god, I lost it. It's not flat. I'm not sure that's gonna help. Come on. Come on. Yes. Okay, okay, I got this. I got this. So yeah, now I have the weight of I think it's a computer that's on my left and the weight of the cosmetic on my right. I'm pretty sure the cosmetic is not as heavy. We'll try. We'll try. Okay, okay. Oh boy, oh boy. Come on. Come on. Is that the easiest road ahead? Oh boy. Can I just try from here? No. Okay. I mean, it could have worked. Could have. Should have. But no, if it had worked, it would have been too easy. Okay. Let's try it. Come on, come on. Come on. Alright. I have so much way to go. Probably. Okay, got it. Got it's like it's on my head. Alright. Oh my god. I don't know if there's an easy way. Let's try like this one. Ooh, that's better. That's better. That's like, yeah. Try avoid getting turnover if I can. help. That would definitely help. At least... Oh, boy. Okay. Totally fine. Totally fine. Ooh. This way. This way. Those colors are so pretty. It's distracting. Alright. Ooh, ooh. Ah. Nice. Okay, that's it. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. 1 kilometer. I can do this, guys, actually. I can do this. It sounds crazy, but I think I can do it. Ooh. You know, unless I get stuck here. Somehow, I can go back more easily than forward. Okay. Ouch. Ouch. Too much! I can't see anything. Okay, let's go to the left. Okay, I'm past. I'm past through. So I still haven't been able to do the umbrella, but made it, made it, made it! Ooh, that is very remote indeed. Whew. All I needed. The greenhouse is completed. I got 300 and 5x3 plate. Ooh, wait a second. 5x3. 5x3. Wait, I got that. This one. That helps, I guess. I could always remove that one and put more on top. Wait. Can I? Three by three, 3x1. This one might be the heaviest one. Cool. Cool. So there is like deliver print. Yeah, I'm having troubles with those two supplies. They keep coming back and you keep getting money, and medium spring is something I do not have, but that's completely out of the area. Switch, same, completely out of the area, and the jerry can might be doable, but man, this is really far. So, but yeah, I've added 10 new missions in new areas for the... Oh my god, I haven't uncovered one actually. I probably need to remove a lot of them. I have a feeling I built way too many of them. That was fun. I really liked it actually. It's very colorful. I like how the graphics are. Building the bot is fun. I'll probably play it again. Wait a second. I've only discovered 3 blueprints. Do I like mine. But yeah, it's really cool. There's so many more things to do. I really like it. So I hope you guys had fun. I had a lot of fun. But yeah, it's Master's Logistics update 1.0. Ooh. Um, wait, let's put it here for now. My streams are always fun. Thank you, Koto. There was definitely some falls from eye up and some cool un, un, untried for effects. But yeah, I had a lot of fun building this thing. It's like very basic compared to what I've seen on pictures. All right, let's go for now here, and I will go check if somebody is who is streaming actually. Okay, Dragon is streaming Uncharted. He started yesterday. He's doing really good actually. Um, Unlike me, I'm playing as an archer. He's playing as a close combat sword holder, so it's really cool to watch him. So hope you guys had fun. Thank you, Kato. Hi, Edwina. How are you doing? I'm sorry I was leaving. Um, thank you for coming by. I appreciate. I appreciate. So let's go say hi to Dragon. And thank you for all for coming, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.